Kazia, our Polish Tatra Sheepdog Puppy. She came to us all the way from Poland, and she has been one of the most amazing animals to ever enter my life. And I would like to share with you in this video a little bit about her process of growing up on our sheep farm, and what a great asset she's become not only to the sheep, but to the entire family. Due to the tremendous heat wave we had shortly after Kazia arrived, we had to start her in the house with the air conditioning until the weather could settle down a little bit, and then she could begin her life on the farm.
Everybody's getting settled in and starting to meet each other.
You may notice here that Kazia is in with some slightly older ewes, not the babies that she was in before with the lambs, because as she grows older and gets more confident, she becomes too much for the younger group and has to then be in with a group that can hold their own with her.
Good morning from beautiful Kazia this morning. The beautiful Kazia is just saying good morning because he's having a little tummy tickles. They would like to help out just a little bit because, you know, they kind of like to be pet too. But they say Kazia's okay. She's just got to learn some manners. Yeah, and they're helping to teach her. And she said it's all coming along. Such a beautiful day today. Yeah, such a beautiful day.
Here you'll notice that Kazia is still in with his slightly more mature sheep, and she's still learning how to be a good citizen around them.
There's my little hug and kiss on her little veil. Yes, you know, it's just a little bit too cute, if you know what I mean. Yes, it is. I know it. I know it. Checking out the new lamb under supervision. Yeah. bushes I found over here. Yes, sirree! Just got here on this gorgeous day. That's Kazia wagging her tail and Marty over there. Oh, I'm coming. I just gotta take your picture. It's too cute. I'll be right there. First day together.
This is Kazia full grown playing with our new puppy Zushek.
Here are the little babies having their din-din. It's a helpers today. Very curious about this project going on. Oh, of course, it's just true. I know it. It's nice to share a good morning hug with everybody. You know what I'm saying? On this rainy day. I just know how it is. I mean, we're just hardly even woken up this morning. You know, of course. Where are you headed? Where are you headed, young lady? Oh, Oh, probably to just a little more visiting, I suspect. We just want a little bit more. You know how it is. Oh, we're going to sit on Mom's lap. Okay, you're too heavy. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you got to put your front. There you go. Okay, you can put your head. That's a girl. Oh, there she goes. That'll work. Now we got each other. We do. I know. Yep, I know how it is. Oh, sure. I know. Of course. We know about these things. There you go. Lie down. That's it. All right. Well, that's a little bit of a heavy lie down. It is. Oh, boy, you're heavy. And I'm being squished, you know. Oh, well. Let's move you over. There. All right. Now we're good. There. I got the bear. I do. I got the bear. She pretty. I know she pretty cozy. She pretty cozy girl. She's a bear. I know she's a bear. She's beautiful. She is. Of course. Well, I hate to tell you, Bear, but I better be going. I'm sorry, I do need to go. Yeah, I'm so sorry, but I kind of got